Did you know that switching to a modern fireplace can slash your heating bills? Over 60% of your energy use goes toward heating. Why not make it smarter? Let's break down how a fireplace could boost your home's efficiency. Let's face it, Long Island winters can be brutal, and heating your whole house isn't cheap. But what if you could keep your main living spaces toasty while cutting back on energy waste? That's where Basic Energy steps in. They install high-efficiency heat and glow fireplaces, think modern gas, electric and gas inserts, built to deliver maximum warmth with minimal energy use. Here's the secret zone heating. By focusing heat where you spend the most time, like your living room or den, you can lower your central thermostat and save big on energy bills. Gas fireplace inserts even upgrade old wood fireplaces, stopping heat from escaping up the chimney and giving you consistent, controllable warmth. Prefer eco-friendly? Electric fireplaces are super efficient, easy to install, and don't produce emissions, perfect for supplemental heating without the hassle. And with Basic Energy's affordable installation and 24/7 emergency service, you're never left in the cold, even if winter throws you a curveball. With years of expertise right here on Long Island, Basic Energy customizes every fireplace installation for maximum efficiency and style. Ready to warm up and save? Call Basic Energy at 516-294-9044 or visit heatglosservice.com to schedule your consultation today. Or visit our fireplace store at 500 Jericho Turnpike #4 Mineola, New York, 11501. Stay warm, save money, and upgrade your comfort right at home.